Welcome to part 2 of our video series detailing how to construct the Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. Lay out the pieces as shown in the picture. Ensure the vertical struts are on the correct sides, the strut with the two lower holes on the left of the Ender logo and the one with the high hole on the right. Using the bolts provided, tighten the vertical struts onto the feet as shown. You want to nip each side and then back each bolt off a little bit so the vertical strut can wiggle as shown. This is to make adjustment easier later. Do the same for the other side as mentioned. Make sure that the holes match the highlights as shown. Now you can mount the PSU to the right hand side of the frame. Using a flathead screwdriver, you can switch the voltage input of the printer to match your mains electricity output. Please follow the link to check your region's output, which is 230 volts for the UK. If you get this wrong, you may end up with a rather heavy paperweight, so make sure to double check. This section is very fiddly. Get the piece shown and ensure the clips start vertically so you can place it into the strut's groove as shown, then slide it to the bottom. Now you can tighten the bolts. If you keep tightening them, they should automatically rotate into a horizontal position and clamp it into place. However, they are a little evil, so you may need to try a few times. Once you've gotten the clips to catch, back them off a tiny amount, then slide the whole piece down, ensuring it sits flush against the metal feet. Then retighten the bolts. Lastly, take the helical motor shown and attach it to the opposite side of the vertical strut when looking at the logo. Tighten the bolts, but again, leave the motor a little loose for now. Do not follow the manual and put the lead screw for the helical pole in at this stage. This will only make your job harder down the line. You have finished part 2 of constructing the Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. You can now move on to part 3, belt subassembly. Thanks for watching.